Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to open the WhatsApp. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the WhatsApp app. You can install it from the Play Store or the App Store. After you install the app, launch the app on your phone. Now select your preferred language from here and tap on Agree and Continue. Now in order to open the WhatsApp account, all you need to do is provide your phone number. First of all, make sure you select your country and it will automatically select the country code for you. After that, provide your valid phone number. If you already have an account with this number, it will directly log you in. But if you don't have any account registered yet, it will send you the verification code in your number. After that, you can set up your name for this account. And there you go. It will successfully create a new account for you. So that's how you can open the WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.